I've never been this cold in my entire life.
Oh my god. Every single time we go ride. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got 1 and 2 over here. Hello. And yeah, it's supposed to get super duper icy cold. And we're doing a last ride, and a big ass ride that is too. Look at this fat pig of a bike. Oh my god. That is a big bitch. Damn. Shit. This is Nick's bike. Man, it's clean. Yeah, he really did clean it up. Damn. But yeah, quick trip. We're hitting like Tennessee, North Carolina, and a bunch of other places. It's gonna be a blast. So hopefully this will be a good video, really pretty fall colored video. And yeah. We also got Devin, new guy to the crew. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, you're not kidding. Holy shit, he's coming. He's coming. Oh my god. every fucking time we go out. Every single time we go ride. Bro, every time I ride with him, every time. I love that motherfucker, but goddamn, man. Oh yeah, he's getting a ticket.
I'm like, go get your boy, dog.
I saw him glance at me. He glanced and he just goes. Bro, so the last time we were at when we went to the tail, he got pulled over on a Tiger, and he had a pistol on him with no license and no concealed carry, and he didn't get in trouble for it.
You don't need concealed carry in Georgia.
You did when we went. It was before that law got passed.
Oh, that makes sense. God damn it, bro.
I know, man. I'm back, baby.
It's funny because I heard about this shit
Yeah.
for years.
I'm not lying. He has a habit of doing wheelies in front of cops, and he speeds and gets tickets every time we go out. Our homeboy.
A fly hit my lens.
All right, stay tuned.
Nate, how you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm ready to put some holes in my knee area for my pants. I'm gonna drag some knee today.
Dragon knee.
All right. Bro, you're not a fly. Just Made it to two wheels. Made it to two wheels of suches. Next stop is Tellico Plains, Tennessee. It's like another hour. Homeboy almost got arrested. Skin of his teeth once again. Alrighty. Bro, you got like 6 headlights. It's ridiculous. Alright, gents. Let's keep it rocking. Something smells like dirty ass socks, boy. Whoa, slow down. Whoo. Goddamn. That came out of nowhere. But I still don't have a signal. Oh fuck, of course it turned green. Bro, last time we sat here for like 10 minutes. Yep. Oh, nice. Oh, that turn that I fucking laid out on last time is coming up. Ooh, this is tight. Cyclist. Yeah, the last time we were up here, I slipped on this. So it's making my butthole pucker just a hair. Mile an hour, it's tight. Yeah, this one. This one's dirty. Oh, there's dirt and shit everywhere. Watch this, watch this. Yep. There's another really tight one coming up too. It's gonna be to the right hand. Whoa, 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 whoa! Yeah, this one. Up in North Carolina, I think, Tennessee, getting gas. About to hit the Cherohala, whatever it's called. I'm excited for this one.
Ain't that right, Josh? Yo, I don't know what you said, but yeah.
boy. Sharp turn, sharp turn. And wet ground. Fine turn. It's funny how it's not cold when you're ripping it. Everybody good? Cool. Yeah, it's beautiful. Wow. Tight one. You're good. These are mountains, boys. Oh.
Georgia ain't got shit on this.
Is that you breathing so heavy?
Hey guys, look, it's Alaska. Wow.
Right?
That's what I'm saying.
And we're only like just coming up it too. It keeps getting higher from here.
You can see Georgia somewhere.
Yeah, it's like there. Just kidding.
Appalachian. Probably something wrong there, dude. I'm fucking retarded. Look at all those colors.
It's so cool.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are so welcome. Where are you guys from?
Georgia,
Georgia.
kind of all around.
What a great day to be.
Yeah, it's a little chilly, but it's good.
Fucking dumb. But it shit.
Hold for thumbnail. No.
No, it's a video.
All right.
Well, thanks for cooking.
We're high enough. We're basically in the clouds. Golly, bruh. Sometimes I wish I lived up here in the state. We're already out here. There's no way out. Just through it. Right? Okay, now we're in North Carolina, baby. The road instantly changes. It's hilarious. Bro, look at that. Look at that sunshine over there. Look at that sunshine way over there. It looks so tasty. What? That was... We're in the cloud. Whoa, 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 whoa! And do what? Bro, if we have to keep moving because it's gonna get worse. We have to move. Hold it. You got 20 minutes. Crap, y'all are disappearing in front of me. Oh wow, okay, and then it's just gone. Yep. I am fucking barely keeping up. My body's not doing what I want. Yeah. Man, and my ass is getting left. My hands are just so cold. I can't fucking do what I need to do. It's alright. I just don't want them to worry. Bike is working amazing though. Look at the temp, 156. Back home, this would be like 220. This shit would be screaming. Man, look at that. I'm just got it warmed up a little bit. I'm good, I'm solid. I had to slow down, my brain wasn't keeping up with my bike. I got way too cold. I just got it warmed up a little bit. Oh my god, it warmed up so much. God damn. I was having second thoughts. That was one of those moments like, do I like motorcycles? I don't remember. Sorry, I didn't mean to get so behind. Oh god. Yeah, my shit just immediately was like.
Get it all off. Holy shit.
Bro, my legs, bro. Look at.
Good?
Yeah, I'm so fucking cold. I'm not even gonna like.
He needs to pee so bad. It's like I'm shitting my pants. Oh my god, my hands. This
Fuck. Oh.
If it hurts, it's not.
It's. Hey, my chicken strips are smaller, and my balls are so cold. They feel like marbles on my shit.
Dude, the condensation in my helmet is insane.
Slight bit of warmth is
Alright.
a million times. It makes this a million times better.
Y'all feel when your weather like completely changes
Yes.
to that warm? I was like,
Yes, we were like, thank God.
absolutely, positively.
Yeah, let's just thaw out for a second here.
Holy shit. Put it right here.
You gotta warm up your core. My
Oh
core.
my god.
Just
My
pee on your
core is
hands a little bit.
Pee on your hands.
Just rub it around.
Dude, my piss was completely clear.
Mine too.
I'm telling you, that cold makes you pee.
Bro, my dick was an innie.
When
Your
we
dick
left,
was in any, yeah, for real.
when we left last night, I had to pee so bad.
Dude,
Nate could hear me screaming at
dude,
the light.
we kept getting every red light at the road exit. He was just like, oh, God damn it.
Bro, oh my god. If I knew it was gonna fucking stay cloudy like this, I would have so much more shit going.
Hey, a green backpack, you can always take layers off, but when you're out there, you can't fucking,
Yeah.
you don't have anything.
Maybe I should have brought my bag.
Yeah,
Next
man.
time we go anywhere, I'm 100%.
It's literally the
I'm
only
making a
reason I have
detour.
this.
I'm going to Walmart. I'm getting
I brought it with me too.
biggest
I just
fucking
left it
jacket
at their
I
house.
can.
I was like,
I'd rather be hot and uncomfortable than cold and
I'd
miserable.
rather.
We're only 4 miles from Robbinsville, but there's not much in Robbinsville. It's not a town. It's like a, or it's not like a city.
It's like a Brooks.
It's yeah. There's nothing in it.
It's also like, it's one of those scenes where you
But
like,
Franklin
do
should have
this,
something.
And then
But it'll probably be
time
warm by then. It'll
passes
be
and
back
it's
up to like
holy
60.
shit,
Dude,
it's
I'm
like
so glad I wasn't the
49
only one
degrees. I
suffering
can
up
do that
there.
in a hoodie, right?
No,
'Cause, like,
that
you're
was
coming out of
some-
summer,
I'm like
That
the
was intense.
most
Cold, yeah.
underdressed one beside. He at least has
it's
a
really
thermal
not,
on.
you know,
Bro,
it's just me.
That was like last
year.
year, fucking
Take it
winter
easy.
riding for whenever we were doing that shit.
That was worse. What
That
we just did was
so
worse.
fucking cold.
Because we put ourselves
So
through that
I checked
knowing
the-
how
I
cold
checked
it
Yeah,
the
but
weather-
we also were going like 45. We weren't going fucking 90.
I checked the weather when we were at the gas station for Robbinsville, which is where we're at.
You know, I purposely withheld that
was it?
information.
I did too. That's why I didn't say anything. That's why I didn't
what
say
was
I
anything.
saw that shit last night. Like
was
after
it?
we made the route, and I was like, I'm just not gonna say shit about it.
It's like 38.
Oh,
Damn.
There's a severe winter storm alert. in
What do
like
you think
3
it was
hours.
when we were at the peak?
That's that cloud.
It's like
coming in. It's
probably
so-
it was like mid 30s.
Mid 30s?
Yeah, so like we were riding like 15.
No fucking wonder.
No, that's
We're in the cloud. We are literally in
yeah.
the cloud.
That is
It's
the
cold
bottom
as
end of
fuck.
a winter
When
storm.
it got super foggy,
I'm not joking. Like it's snowing here tomorrow. There's a 70% chance of snow here tomorrow.
we were riding.
What are we doing, bro?
Yeah, I
When
couldn't
I
see
make,
shit.
when
Yeah.
I make
I put my
Instagram
mind
reel
up
out of
in
this
that.
later, the caption's gonna be dragging me into heaven. Because that's what I was doing. I was dragging me into
That one turn where I thought you guys were way the fuck ahead, and I came up, saw the fog. I was like, all right, it's just a little bit of fog,
Yeah,
and then it was
and
like
then
all of a sudden y'all appeared. I was like, whoa, okay.
I turned around and all of a sudden you weren't there.
Yeah.
I turned around again and all of a sudden I see your headlights. I'm like, oh shit.
I heard it disconnect from Cardo. I was like, oh, they're gonna freak out. They're gonna think I
You-
fell or something.
Have balls of steel.
Yeah.
Yeah,
what
you're
the
insane.
Fuck, bro.
Well, but you don't speed on the highway?
Yeah, where
like
the
the fuck
fuck
is
is
up
this
with
shit
that?
coming from?
You're like,
he doesn't
I'm gonna
speed on
do the
the highway,
speed
he just
limit.
Where the fun shit. Yeah.
He doesn't speed on the highway because he's gotten too many tickets already.
That's
No, I
fair.
gotta like, I didn't get. He was just like, no, take it, and I was like, fuck. He could have towed my bike. He was nice on that part.
Yeah.
He didn't lower it down.
Yeah,
for me
Nick
or
knows all
nothing.
about that.
Not me sweating through my fucking jacket.
I thought since I pulled over, he's gonna be a little lenient, but definitely considering everybody in front of me was racing a Ferrari at 150 and passed him. I passed him at a lousy 103.
Lousy.
Yeah, I mean,
Seriously,
Let me
103,
hold.
that's it?
Let me hold for a
That's
second.
it.
he didn't lower it or nothing. I had to go to court and all. that.
Really? What a pussy.
Yeah.
It's like, dude, if, on a highway,
And
you
he
can't
saw-
you clock me at only 103? Like,
Oh, it's like I got you at 103 only. All right.
Damn, I thought it was faster.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they
Let's run that back.
Yeah,
real
yeah,
quick.
yeah.
posted me on Facebook, and everybody's
Ah.
like, yeah.
He
they're
posted
like,
you?
"Oh, rookie numbers. And I'm
Yeah,
like, oh
it's
my
a-
fucking god, fucking dickhead.
You gotta run it back.
Wait,
though
the
two
cops
times.
posted you on Facebook?
Yeah,
yeah,
Marietta.
Gwinnett started doing that too.
Coweta does it too.
Wait, so when you get a ticket, they
I got
post
a
you?
picture
Yeah,
of it.
Sometimes, yeah.
if you're going fast enough, they'll actually post
It
you.
was like, Marietta, please slow down. This bike was caught around 103.
Only
Fuck.
rookie
so
numbers.
fucked.
Yeah, and everybody was talking shit.
I bet. I bet.
Everybody was
It can get a little spooky sometimes because most of it you can see the corner, and then sometimes it's like.
There was one
you're
corner
coming
that
in
you
hot.
two went
What
over.
about a blind 15, 20
That's
mile
why I
an
got
hour that has,
this.
like, two apexes? Yeah.
Dude, it's
What fucks me up is when you're running and you're in a turn and you're holding. You're like, yeah, I got this line, and it just tightens
It
the
just
fuck
tightens
up.
the
That's
fuck
what
up.
Yeah.
gets me.
dude.
You have to like make it at like
Literally just roll off an engine brake and disperse your weight, and that's all I did.
Yeah, there was one turn that almost got my ass.
That turn that you saw me do, and then the one after that. I think we all need another
one or
layer.
two
I'm
longer.
being honest. Maybe you don't want to get down there, but
I literally had a long sleeve I was gonna wear under all this, but I mean I'm all right. My legs are so cold.
My shit gets tiny and numb in the cold.
Yeah.
So I can't. Like, do I even still have it there? Did I lose it? Did it fucking
fall off?
Yeah. Where'd it go? Oh man. It's all right, Diana. You did good. Yeah. Okay, hi everybody. So we decided to call it a little early. We had like 2 more stops left, I think. It was gonna round out. We probably would have gotten home around like 7:45, 8 o'clock. But it's incredibly cold. You just saw the footage from the mountain. Apparently there's now a winter storm warning for like 10 miles north of where we're at right now. So we're all really, really cold, needless to say. But kick-ass trip, really fun. I'm glad we came and done it. It's a good story. We'll definitely be back out here once it gets warmer here next season. Probably camp, hit the tail of the dragon, a few other things. But yeah, we're just gonna beeline it home now. So I'm just gonna keep it rolling, keep it filming, see what we see, and we'll go from there. But if there's not a lot of talking, I apologize. I'm trying not to shiver my nuts off because it's so damn cold. So yeah. If I don't say anything else in the meantime, I appreciate you guys watching. I posted the other video this morning actually about the comparison between the two. So hopefully you guys enjoy that one. But yeah, this will probably be the last video of me out riding for a while, unless I get like a warm day. But I do have confirmation my exhaust should be here. It was supposed to be here last week, but it ended up getting pushed because of the whole government shutdown thing. But it should be here tomorrow, so that's gonna be a video. Got a few other things in mind. Should be pretty fun. So, as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. Yep. Yep. Here we go.